Hello everyone, we'll guide you through on how to remote play on Steam. Steam Remote Play is where you can go and play Steam games on another computer. This is really convenient if you have maybe a high-end computer and a low-end computer. You can go ahead and then play Steam games on a low-end computer based on the high-end. To get started, you need to go to the top left of Steam, press Steam, then press Settings. Come down here until you see the option for Remote Play. And what you need to do is go and make sure this is enabled like so. You can then come down here and you can go enable some advanced option if you wish and start changing these. You really don't have to, but it is very optional. But for connecting the devices, if you don't see the devices here, go ahead and click on pair Steam link over here. You'll receive a code right so and enter it on the other device. Once done, you can go ahead and make sure, by the way, if the computer and device does not appear here, make sure you log in with the same account and go ahead and play it with the remote play and it should be working. Now, that should be all for this video, guys. That will be a quick and easy full guide. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.